Holy shit. Somebody else is gonna get stuck. That was close. Up. I think I got further.
Oh no. That's never a good sign when you can't go forward or backwards. Push on you? Ready, rocker. Ready, 1, 2.
Wait, what's your hoodie say? I'm laughing way too much today.
Oh, here we go.
That's a can't have it, can't make it.
There you go, you got her now.
It's peanut butter.
He's gonna show everybody up.
Yeah, he's a show off. He's compensating.
Yeah.
Compensating. I know. Hey.
Hey, Trevor.
What?
Where did you get stuck?
Right there.
Show me where you got stuck.
Right there. Stop. Yeah, right there. Compensating for his tiny weenus. I don't know if anybody watching this knows that, but that's what he's doing. Jimmy's got a tiny weenie. He doesn't know I'm saying this right now, but that's okay.
Hey, Trevor.
What?
I love you.
I love you too, buddy. It's not your fault. You got this. You're like totally rocking this out right now. This is great. Wait, is that a wedge cable? Belt, you bitch. What? No, good job. You did great. That's right. That's right. Compensating tires. Yeah. Hey. Pardon me. What? All right, thank you. Where's my beer? Or my seltzer? I'm trying to like lose some weight. Holy, look at this shit. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, I thought we did something good. It's coming. Oh, there's definitely something coming. It's gonna be an F. Probably, yeah.
He ain't got no reverse anymore.
He ain't backing up.
Something popped really good.
Yeah.
Jimmy, go crack some corn. Take 3.
That's what I get for being cocky.
It happens, Jimmy. We do that shit. That's what makes it fun. Jimmy, you're just gonna fucking leave me hanging, Jimmy.
Wow, that's the power here.
I had the same issue with the
good.
Sportsman.
Yeah, you're fine.
Same issue.
Your light always comes on?
Yeah.
It was this one.
It's a pain in the ass.
That one.
Sucks. But you're alright. It's a Polaris. She's okay. You're a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Oh! Hey! Watch out for the Polaris!
Hey!
What?
Hey! All I did was roll backwards.
That's a Polaris. You gotta watch out.
Hey, come here.
What? Yeah, you're good.
Hey! Love you.
All right, to the dunes. Looking forward to this. See how much battery we got here. God damn it, 21%. Whew. Well, rather be low on battery than SD card. I think I've got plenty more SD card, just not enough battery. So get up to the dunes, have some fun, get hydrated, throw up the drone, change out SD cards, change out batteries, and continue on with this great day of riding. That's what makes it fun. Great people, good times, good laughs. That's what riding's all about. Any of you guys, oh my God, we're not even going to go on the political statement here, but I am for a second. Any of you liberals that sit there and don't go out riding, go out for a ride one time and enjoy yourself, and you'll see this is actually a lot of fun. Go shoot a gun. I mean, I'm not saying you gotta kill a deer, kill a turkey, kill a duck or a goose. I'll do that for you, don't worry about it. But yeah, go shoot a gun, go get into a side-by-side, go get on a four-wheeler. Excuse my English, I'm not exactly, well, I am educated, doesn't matter. I mean, anybody can buy an education. But yeah, I mean, go out for a ride. Holy hell. Like, I look at this in a serious stance. Liberals versus non-liberals. I know a lot of liberal people. I know a lot of liberal people that are outdoors people. I guarantee you, 50% of the liberals out there in the world, if they went for a ride like this, or went and shot guns like I typically do, I can guarantee you 50% of them would say they enjoyed it. They had a good time. A great time, in fact. How can you not? You're outdoors. You're around good people. You're around people that would do anything for you. Who doesn't want to be around that? That's the greatest positivity there is in the world. But I can go on about this forever. But I'm not going to, because that's going to ruin my day. Because I'm not out here to talk politics or tell people what they should or shouldn't do, or should try to do. I'm out here to enjoy my day, and that's all that matters. And that's exactly what I'm going to continue to do until we get to the dunes, and we're going to have more fun! Alright, my favorite part of the ride, the dunes. And we are just about there. I'm going to pull over here for about 5.0.9 seconds. Put her into high. We're going to take off like a great date. Oh, let's go, Jimmy! Woo-hoo! Huh?
Can I jump that lip or is it too steep at the top?
You spare it.